Hi everyone, hope you all are doing really well. So this is another healthcare video, which is electronic health record system. So we're gonna have the project review and the key features to be designed. So in this video, I have got a recent comment wherein people are expecting for the automation test cases. So maybe I'll discuss some of the scenarios which can be automated or which can be used for the tested. So this is basically about the architecture of the project and what exactly the project is. Which project you have worked on, so giving you the descriptions like what automation you have done it, it's different question. So which project you have worked on and what kind of project, can you tell me the architecture of that project if you know it. So based on that, these videos are, so this is the architectural very upper layer of the projects, that what kind of project it is, what all the functionalities are there into the projects. I think that is what there into this video mostly, but I'll be trying to giving you some of the scenarios which can be like you can derive it out with those functionality, and also you can use if somebody asks you a question like can you tell some of the automation test cases, critical test cases you have done in the automation front. So let's discuss more about that in this video. So without wasting time, I request you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button below so that you'll get notified, because I'll hardly upload some of the videos and I'll upload in some gaps, so you will get notified whenever I'll upload the video. So hit on the notification button below. So yeah, go ahead, let's go ahead with the technology used. I think this is very important thing that you should be knowing what all technology and backend technologies be in your project, which is Angular, JS, HTML, CSS. I think this is something which has been across every project, jQuery. And there's one database has to be there, which is MongoDB, and then HIPAA, Node.js, Meteor.js, and the Google Cloud Services. So that there's something which is common, like you have something for front end, one is for backend, and then one is for database, and one is for the cloud. So these are the very basic things, and then one is for the backend language, which is Node.js. They have used it. So I think this is something which is very much necessary, that what you are using it, and I think these are the various components which is required for any of the applications to build it. Okay, then we have project overview. The client of this project, that's how you can say that the client of this project wanted to build an electronic health record software that would act as a digital version of a patient health records, which can be viewed, accessed, and adjusted by multiple physicians across various healthcare establishments. So you will be having the patient's health records are there. Like health record is like your reports. What is your lipid profile? What is your thyroid level? Or what is your insulin level? What is your cholesterol level? Everything can be viewed through electronically in a device. Okay. This project involves development of a software solutions that cannot be only used to not only record a single patient health data, but also to share it with multiple healthcare professionals in the patient's care, including pharmacies and laboratories. So you will be having like application across wherein the person health data can be accessed with multiple health professional as well. Then there are the key features that we have implemented in this project is like secure health data recording and storage in cloud. So your like how your mark sheets are there, so that can be accessed like easily for you, and then you can share it with other people as well. So how your health records also you can share it with the people. Yeah. So secure health data recording and storage in a cloud. So your health recording data is also a secure data. It's not like is spreading across, everyone can access this. No, it will be secured. Real-time messaging and video conferencing facilities. So in that you can real-time messages or do the video conferencing to the doctors. Patient portal that allowed patient to schedule them. There's a patient portal as well wherein you can schedule appointments and communicate with their doctors and track their health status. You can also track your health status. So there's a patient portals. Okay, so there in the patient portals you can communicate doctors, you can track your health status as well, and then so on. There are a lot of things you can do it in the patient portal. Third party integration such as lab management software, and then there's a payment processing and security features such as role based data access. So also there are role based, like for example doctor, if doctor is there, then there will be like patient information should be reflecting, okay, that these are the patients are for this, these are the patients. So that is what, like in the security features such as role-based data access. So for example, in this also the scenario will be, as I talk about the scenario, so you can have what this is the feature, right? In this feature, there are two features here, there are three features here. Okay, real-time messaging and video conferencing. So that also you can do it through bot or whatever you are using it. So that also you can test it whether you can able to process messaging, the receiver is also receiving the messages or not, at the video conferencing, that you are able to process a call. Okay, that is the one, that's a very simple scenarios which is very real time. Then the patient portal. So patient portal, in the patient portal, what testing you can do it, the patient portal can see the doctors availability, like these are the doctors and that is their fee structure. And also if you can schedule an appointment, so you can schedule an appointment based on the availability of the doctors. So through automation you can see for a doctor you can see the scheduled dates. If you click on a doctor, you will see the availability of their dates and the timings, and then if you click or select any of the timings on your for your choice, and you'll be able to, like once you click it and then you put the payment, you what you do is you select the appointment date and time, you selected, and in the next page you did the payment. After payment you will see the message that the appointment is booked, and the doctor will also get it, then the receiving doctor will also get an appointment that this is that this is for this time you are booked for this particular patient. This is from the receiver doctor's end, and here you will see that the timing is being grayed out. There are next available timings for other patients. So that's how you can do it. So in the doctor also, when doctor see, okay, this is the patients. So when with this feature, when doctor click on doctor will see, okay, this is the patients, this is the appointment details, and there is a one more feature that download the health record of a patient. So doctor can download or see the, like click on the health record of the patient. So from this secure health data recording, so they'll be seeing the patient informations, like all the health records of the patient, like what is their current status of the health with their reports, whatever reports they have it, the current reports, they can see it. Okay, this is how the entire end-to-end flow, which I think you guys will be able to understand it. And then there's a third-party integration like lab management software. So from the lab management software, you will whatever their reports from this one, you will get all the reports. Like lab management, what they'll do is they'll take your blood, they will check all those whatever reaction, whatever the test they'll be doing it, they'll in the blood. Okay, I don't know much of the like hemoglobin test, okay, for example. Okay, so they'll take a blood and they'll do hemoglobin test. So whatever your report, like 8989 to whatever it is coming, they'll upload. There will be a report, right? Hemoglobin, one page report. It will upload in the GCP or maybe in their cloud server, and then leave it, and then one is send it to you. So there will be two things. So then one is in lab management software. So in this software, they will not ask you for the report, they will take directly from the lab management software. Okay, for this patient, this is the report. And then security patient is like role-based data access. So for example, patient can see their data, and doctor can see only like whosoever they have treated with, like they have an appointment with, they can see their data only. They cannot see any, like they cannot put my name and see the data. No, they can only see their patient data. So that is how it is secured, and this is only role-based data. That is how they have provided security features. What we do for the project. So how we exactly, this is the end-to-end flow, which is very much explanatory, that how the project will be and how use cases will be. Now exactly what we have done it in building of the software. Okay, this is what the technical thing of now. Okay, then we have first we have a discovery phase, then we have full-fledged software development for web test, then we did testing, we did support, and we did maintenance. I think this is this is the proper flow of everything, and that's all. I think this is how it is. I think this is very easy project, and I thought of coming with a very easy option so that it will be useful for you. And I think those use cases are also useful for you to understand. You can also try doing it. I just tell you the randomly, but there are a lot of portal, which I think pharma portal or something is there. You can try doing it. So with that, I think you understand what exactly I'm talking about. So try booking online thing, and then you'll be seeing it. So there is a one more thing which I forget about the third party integration. I think 1 minute. Third party integration and the payment processing. I think, yeah, payment processing. So payment processing is also the gateway they are using. For example, if they are using phone pay, GPay and anything, so the payment processing is also integrated with something like whatever like they are doing it through, and they will be receiving the payment. So you have to use some dummy thing, that dummy cards or anything. The company will give you some card to do the payment processing and checking whether the payments are successful or not. So whatever payments you are doing it through this app, the doctor will receive their fee or not. So that's how it is. So everything should be, the account of the doctor is also being integrated. So once if user do the payment should reflect in doctor's account, sorry. So, and it has to be deducted from the patient's account, and it has to be transferred to the doctor's account. So that is also, the payment processing is very important. Otherwise, so doctor should receive the payment for the work they are doing it. So yeah, I think I just forget, sorry. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this, and this is very short video, I can make it. And stay tuned for my upcoming video. There are more videos are coming in, and I try to make it a little shorter, and the use cases are very great here, so you can visualize using those apps. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.